Hello students, I am your maths teacher. In today's class, we are going to see about integer, absolute value of an integer. So what is the meaning of absolute value of an integer? The absolute value of an integer is a whole number obtained by removing its sign. We will be seeing in detail in your video, students. And also we are going to see about the addition and subtraction on integers. And now we are going to start with the sum. Now we are going to see the topic about integers. In that we are going to do 3 exercise, students, that is exercise 1A, 1B and 1C. And all the 3 exercises are going to be very small exercise. So now we are going to see the concept. Before that we should know what is the meaning of integers. So in this place the meaning of integer is, it is denoted by I or capital Z. Mostly we will be using only capital Z. The meaning of integer, the numbers you will be having negative value, 0 and positive values. This is the format of integer. It is in the combination of positive value, negative value as well as 0 are called integers. Positive integer means only positive values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 etc. are called positive integers. Negative means -1, -2, -3, -4 and -5 are called negative integers. Particularly if you are going to come for 0, the number 0 in integer, the integer 0 is neither positive or negative. So what is the meaning for this one is, if they are going to write like this, plus 0 is also can be written as 0 and minus 0 is also written as 0. So there is no sign value for 0. Even if it is going to be positive or negative 0, it is going to be only 0. So keeping this concept in your mind, we are going to start with exercise 1A. Exercise 1A. First question, write the following set of numbers in set builder tabular form and represent them on the number line. They are asking you 3 questions here, students: set builder, tabular form and number line. I am going to take the first question. What is the first question given here is integers greater than -4 and less than 1. First I am going to draw the number line. What I am going to do is, what is the number I am having here? -4, 1. Like a graph I am going to write like x-axis, mark 0 in the middle, 1, 2, 3, 4 etc. this side, and negative value to your left hand side. Right hand side fully positive value, left hand side you will be having the negative value. Set builder, the meaning of set builder, they are given you the statement. The statement I am going to, without changing the meaning, I am going to write it in set builder form. The meaning of set builder is, I am going to give the name for the set A equal to x such that. The meaning of x is, that is a way of writing the set builder. X, the value of the value what we are going to give here, such that -4 less than x less than 1. I am going to take the values between -4 and 1, where x belongs to z. Greater than -4 and less than 1. That is the meaning for this particular statement. Tabular form means I am going to write only the values between -4 and 1. That is -3, -2, -1, 0. So number line we are representing in this way. Same way, integers greater than or equal to 0 and less than 4. 0 and 4, mark it in the number line, students, that is 0 to 4. 0 less than or equal to x less than 4, that is greater than or equal to 0, that is why less than or equal to, that is 0 less than or equal to x less than 4, x belongs to z. And tabular form, this is a way of representing. I am just taking out the values 0, 1, 2 and 3. Second question, fill in the blanks by using greater than, less than or equal to. They are given you totally 8 questions here, students. I am going to do the sum. So what is the first one given here is -3 dash 1. Negative value, positive value. Whenever I am comparing, the positive value will be greater. So towards that side, I am just going to put a symbol like this, that is -3 less than 1. Similarly here, whenever I am comparing two negative values, understand properly, whenever I am comparing two negative values means, if it is going to be 8, 4 means 8 will be greater. minus 8 minus 4. The smaller number negative value, the smallest value will be the greatest one, that is minus 4 will be the greater value, that is minus 8 less than minus 4. Similarly here, positive negative means automatically the positive value will be greater, 2 greater than minus 5. Coming to the fourth question, comparing these two values, minus 12 minus 18, minus 12 is the greatest value regarding negative, minus 12 greater than minus 18. And fifth question is known as modulus, absolute, that is absolute value. Sometimes they will be telling it as modulus when you are going for your higher classes. Absolute value of minus 5, and I will be teaching you this particular concept, students, that what is the meaning of absolute value of minus 5. If they will be putting two lines like this, inside you will be having a value, you are going to take it out. While I am taking it out, whatever sign, if it is going to be positive means outside will be having only positive. If it is going to be negative means you have to take only the number out, negative sign will be removed. That is only I will be writing 5. I will be removing the sign. I will be writing only it as 5. That is defaultly you will be having it as positive 5. So in place of plus 5, the meaning for this one is I will be getting the value as 5. Dash 5 means both are equal. Maybe the way of looking will be different, students, but both are equal. Similarly this one, if I am going to compare 15, this place you will get the value as 15, and this place you will be getting it as 17, and which one is greater is 17. 15 less than 17. Seventh question, you have to solve the value, you have to solve the problem, and then you have to find the answer. While I am solving, I will be getting the answer like this. I am going to take the left hand side. That is absolute value of minus 17 is 17. This negative sign, write it as it is. Absolute value of 15 is 15. Calculate, you will get the answer as 2. Similarly, if you see the right hand side, absolute value of, inside you must solve the problem, then only you have to remove the absolute symbol. That absolute of minus 2 is 2. Both are equal. So the last one is equal. Third question, arrange in ascending order. Small to big ascending order. They will be giving you the number, and you have to be careful in this place, students. That is, you are going to have negative value, positive value as well as 0. So while I am writing in ascending order, first I should give the importance for the negative value. From negative to positive, middle you will be having 0. Negative, the great, that is the if you see here, 172, minus 172, minus 45, minus 37. The smallest value is minus 172 regarding negative. So in this way I am going to arrange the values. Just you are going to find it out and you are going to arrange the values. Similarly for the second one also, negative to positive we are going to arrange it, and the greatest number in negative, the greatest number will be the smallest value. Minus 473 is the smallest, next smallest is minus 365, and so on till 242 you will be arranging the value. Coming to the new concept you are going to see in this chapter is absolute value of an integer. So what is the meaning of absolute value of an integer? Before that, we are going to see the example sum. The meaning for this two line is known as absolute value. What is the number inside 2? Here, absolute value of minus 2, absolute value of 3, absolute value of minus 3, and absolute value of 0. Absolute value of 2, if I find it out, what I should do is I should remove this 2 symbol, that is I should remove this symbol, and when I am taking this number out, I will be taking only the number 2, and in this place you will be having minus 2. I should leave that minus and I have to take only the number positive 2. Here also 3, and this place I am taking only the number out, students, that is 3, and this 0. So whenever you are going to get a negative value inside the absolute, you will be getting only the positive answer. So keep that in your mind. Now I will read the statement. The absolute value of an integer is the whole number obtained by disregarding its sign. So that is question number 4. Find the following. they are given you in the form of modulus of minus 3 minus modulus of, that is absolute value of 6 minus 2. So first we have to remove this absolute value symbol, students. That is, I told you modulus of minus 3 is nothing but 3. Understand properly. When I am removing it, I will be writing like this here, students. That is modulus of, that is absolute value of minus 3 is nothing but 3. We have to remove it from the absolute value, and that time I will be removing out with the sign. I will just leave out the sign, only the positive value, that is only the number I will be taking it out. So from this absolute value of minus 3, I am writing 3, minus sign is outside. Absolute value of 6 minus 2 means 6 minus 2, 4. Absolute value of 4. Absolute value of 4 is nothing but 4. 3 minus 4, you are getting the value as minus 1. This negative sign is outside the absolute value. Understand properly. And coming to the second question, absolute value of minus 84 is 84, plus write it as it is. Absolute value of minus 16 is 16. In this way you will be doing the calculation. You are going to get the answer as 100. Same way you are going to try the remaining calculation, students. Absolute value, inside absolute value, if they are asking you to calculate, means calculate the value. After getting the answer, then only you have to remove the absolute value. That is, absolute value of minus 41 is 41. 38 minus 41 is minus 3. So understand it properly, understand the concept properly. First we have to remove the absolute value symbol, absolute value. From that I will be calculating the value. Suppose inside itself you are going to have the calculation, means you are going to complete it, then you are going to do the sum. The next exercise, exercise 1b, we are going to discuss about the number line concept, but that is using addition, add using the number line concept. So what is the thing we are going to do here, students? Understand properly. This is a question given here. Plus 6 plus of plus 2. Just drawing the number line. 0 is going to be in the middle. Right hand side you are going to have the positive values, and left hand side you are going to have the negative value, and that is the concept of number line, and usually you will be drawing in your graph. What I am going to do is, if you are going to have positive plus sign, means I will be moving towards right hand side. If you are going to have negative value, means you will be moving towards left hand side. I am drawing the number line here, students. First what I am going to do is, I am going to remove the bracket. Plus 6 plus into plus plus 2. Plus 6. Just go to the number line. First find where I am going to have plus 6. In that place I am going to start my work. Plus 6, first locate here. After locating this plus 6, what I am going to do is, if I am going to have positive, means I am going to move towards right hand side. Understand properly. Plus 2, what is the number here? 2. 2 means 2 jump. Plus 6, positive means right hand side, 2 jump. 1, 2. And what is the number I am having here? 8. And that is the answer for the required question. Coming to the next one, minus 2 plus into plus plus 4. Draw the number line. Minus 2, I am just finding the minus 2 where I am having. From minus 2 I am going to start. Positive means right hand side I am going to move. Plus 4 means 4 jump. Starting from minus 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is the answer I am getting here? 2. That is the answer we are getting in this place. Similarly, for the next all the sums you are going to do. And just I will teach you this fourth sum. Minus 3 plus into plus minus 3. Minus 3, first locate this minus 3 here, students. Negative means right hand side. This side right hand side you are going to move. 3 jumps. That is 1, 2, 3. And what is the value I am getting here? Minus 6. So my required answer here is minus 6. Second question also same model. We are going to draw using number line, students. That is 3 minus 5. 3. First locate the 3 where it is in the number line, students. And if you see 3 you are having in this particular place, what I am going to do is, minus means I am going to move towards left hand side. 5 jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And what is the number I am having here? -2. And same way you are going to try the remaining sums. So -2 means I will write here as it is, minus into minus plus 3. Same way, plus means right hand side 3, 3 jump. So you are going to try the calculation, students, and I have given you the calculation. You try by yourself. Exercise 1C, same type of questions you are going to have similar to exercise 1B, but here we are not going to use the number line. Normal calculation we are going to do. You are having two numbers. First we have to remove the bracket here, students. 212 plus into plus plus 64. What is the symbol I am having here? Positive, both. Add the value, you will get the answer as 279. And the same calculations we have done most of the time, and just I am recalling you the method. Suppose if you are having 4 values, means just take two values. First you have to remove the bracket, plus into minus minus, remove the bracket, join 2. You can do in any way, but I am just doing in this way. I am pairing the values. First 2, next 2, you will get the answer. Check the sign, and then if you calculate, you will get the answer as 5377. And coming to the next one, next sum, if you see, evaluate, they will be giving you lot of questions. First you are going to remove the sign. Before itself we have done lot of calculation based on this. You are going to try the calculation, students, and I have done in this method. You can do in any method, but the answer should be correct. You are going to check the sign properly according to the sign. If it is going to be positive, negative, means you are going to check the sign. If both the signs are different, means you are going to subtract. Greater number symbol you are going to write. And same way you are going to try the calculation here, students. Here I am just pairing two values. I am reducing the values, then I am getting the answer. Plus 87 can also be written as 87. Both the answers are correct. So in this class we have completed exercise 1A, 1B and 1C, students. All these concepts you are familiar, but again I am just recalling those concepts. Wherever necessary, please do your rough work, understand the concept and then do the sums. Thank you.